Check out this battery powered motion LED floodlight by AIXPI. Features a motion sensor, completely wireless so you don't have to worry about getting an electrician. Has an IP65 waterproof rating, packed with 240 LED lights, shines out 1500 lumens, 20 seconds sensing time up to 15 meters away, uses 3 Type D alkaline batteries. In the box you will get one of the easiest to follow instructions for installation. Why can't all instructions be as simple like this? Screwdriver and a pack of wall fixings if you wish to hang it on the wall. The sensor itself can be tilted, as well as the LED wing lights to your desired location. At the back there is an on and off button. We've got a wall bracket plate that slides off. Slide that off and unscrew the screws. Now slot in the Type D alkaline batteries. Check that out guys, that is super bright. Let's go ahead and test this out. Automatic shut off after 20 seconds. Motion can be detected by humans and pets. If your electricity goes off, then you can actually use this as a torch in an emergency. Have it hanged in front of your house or in the garden. This super bright floodlight will help you see in the dark. Stay safe, peace.